8:41 right now. Parents, tomorrow is the first day back to school for several Triad students. I know I probably don't have to tell you that because everyone's been preparing. So maybe you're putting the last touches on your child's hair or their outfit, or maybe you just had to make one more run to the grocery store for some lunches. Well, we've got you covered there. Registered dietitian Alice Smith is back with us this morning with some healthy back to school snack options. So Alice, what are we talking about in this half hour?
Yes, so we talked about smoothies earlier and how you can pack so much nutrition in a smoothie, from your fruits to your veggies, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. It's a great thing to have for a snack or breakfast on the go. But when you're trying to get out the door in the mornings, it's probably the last thing you want to throw together. It can be a little overwhelming. So we have an option to make smoothie bags. So you can prep these smoothie bags ahead of time and freeze them. So just get some freezer baggies, and really the sky's the limit with the additions that you can throw in here with your fruits, your veggies, your nuts. And my favorite addition to smoothies is frozen avocado. So avocado, you might not know that you can freeze it. You can freeze it and it makes your smoothie creamy and delicious like a milkshake with adding lots of nutrients and healthy fats. One of the best ways to sneak in leafy greens with your child's diet is through a smoothie. So throwing your spinach in the bag, you can add nuts in there or nut butter. So I'm doing walnuts or peanut butter. If your child has a nut allergy, you can do seeds, you could do sunflower butter, or you can just skip that. I've also got chia seeds, and all of these things you just throw in this bag, make several at a time, just have an assembly line going. And then in the morning, you can grab the baggie out of the freezer, throw it in the blender with some milk or a liquid of choice, and you're ready to go.
Wow, that is so easy and streamlines the process. I'm gonna do this even though I don't have kids going back to school.
Exactly, it'll work for anyone. So take your banana and you just throw that in there, and especially if you've got bananas that are ripe or avocado, we don't want any of that going bad. So making these ahead of time is going to be super easy and convenient, and you're just throwing in so much nutrition and just making it easier. And then you've got your berries, and you won't even have to really add ice because everything's going to be frozen. So you can just add the liquid, your milk, your water, coconut water, whatever liquid you would like, and it'll be just ready to go.
Awesome. I don't know if some people get, because adding ice sometimes makes it a little bit thicker. But if you don't add ice and you just freeze these things, it won't be too much frozen stuff. You'll just add the liquid and then it'll be good to go.
Yeah, you might need a little more liquid, but really the avocado, I know it might sound a little crazy, but that's what's really going to make it creamy and delicious. And also with that healthy fat, we want to make sure we have fat, protein, and carbs in our smoothie and all of our meals. So that's really going to keep you and the kids fuller for longer throughout the day until that next meal or snack. And oats do the same thing, so a good source of fiber, some protein in here too. So I always put oatmeal in a smoothie, and you can throw that in your bag too.
Great. Alice, thank you so much for joining us this morning. If you missed any of this interview, we'll have it posted on our website after the show. We'll be right back.